Hello all, today we shall learn how to check the PDF files uploaded by our students in assignments in Microsoft Teams. We shall be using the OneDrive app on our mobiles, which can be downloaded from Play Store. These PDF files you will be opening online and after checking saving them online. So you need not download the PDF file and use the storage of your phone. Once you download OneDrive and open it for the first time, it will ask you to log in using your Office 365 account. Once you have logged in, you will get a view like this. Click on Libraries given at the bottom. Here you will see a list of all the teams of which you are an owner of. So I'll be opening my CS team. And since I want to check my students' work, I'll be opening the student work folder. Students files which are submitted through assignments in Microsoft Teams goes in submitted files folder. So I'm going to open this folder and this will give me a list of all folders which are allocated to each and every student. So I'm going to open one student's folder and this is the test that I gave to them. So I'm going to open that. And now this is the file that the student had uploaded. Now when I tap on this file, it will open and I can use the inbuilt pen given at the bottom of the screen to check my file. So I'm going to use the red pen, and if I want to change the color, you can click on the red dot given at the bottom, and here is the list of colors that are available. You can also increase or decrease the thickness of the pen. So I'm going to just increase it a little bit, and now I can start with my annotations. Now once I want to scroll up my document, so if I just tap on the screen, this will draw a line. So what I have to do is I'll have to click undo here and then click on done. This will now allow me to scroll my screen, my paper upwards. So I will then again click on the pen tab again and then scroll. Now, if I want to give a small comment to my student, so I can do that using the T icon given here. This will open the text box and I can increase or decrease the size also of my font, and I can choose colors from here. So I'm going to just give a very small comment to my student and then I'm going to click on done. So now if I have made a mistake and I want to erase, so I can use the eraser given in the leftmost corner here and just use it to rub on the screen. And now back with my pen. Again I'm going to open the pen and done. So my work here is done, and now I'll click on done. And then I click on the three dots given at the right hand corner. So once I click on save, this will give me an option to save on the phone also. So I don't want to do that, so I'll click on back. So once I go back, if I open this file again, you will see all the annotations that you had done. So now what the teacher has to do is she has to go to Microsoft Teams. In assignments, you just click on the return button where this file that you have checked will be returned to the student. So you need not download the file anywhere on your mobile and later on transfer it back to the student. Another feature that is available in OneDrive is the scanning feature. So once you tap on the camera icon given here, you can scan a document and convert it to PDF. So if I want to add another page, I tap on add new and I scan another page. So this will be scanning two pages for me. Now I tap on done. So by default, this file will be saved as a PDF in OneDrive. So here I am going to take files and I can give the name to the file. and just tap on the arrow. So my file will be saved in OneDrive, and I need not download any separate scanning app like Kaggle Scan or Adobe Scan or Microsoft Office Lens. So OneDrive is doing all this work for you using just one app, and it's showing me uploading scan. So once this uploading completes, my file will be available here. So just let the uploading complete. Yeah, so you can see my file, it's given here. So you can use this app for a lot many things, and also to arrange your files on the cloud. So that will be all. Thank you.